You're a teacher now.
Apparently, the fans on YouTube consider me a teacher. That came from one of our fans, Sissy Hopping.
Hi, Sissy.
And what did you get?
Go ahead, put it on, Gretchen.
And this is Steph.
Steph got a couple of bottles of liquor.
Kuchenheimer.
Kuchenheimer.
Steph's the Kuchenheimer.
It's called no, it's called Kuchenheimer.
Yeah, that would be you.
Yep, okay. So let's go back to school. Okay, with the teacher. So, Crumb Boss, what are you making now?
Everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Hi, Crumb Boss.
We are in summer mode, summer barbecue, gearing up for your summer parties. We've got strawberry shortcake kebabs today.
Strawberry shortcake kebabs.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. What is a kebab?
A kebab is is something that you put on a stick. Typically, it's a grilled like chicken or beef or fish, and like you put like
Sushi.
a tomato, an onion, a pepper, a piece of beef. Like you alternate it, and then you grill it on the grill, and you eat them in the summertime, and they're wonderful. So we're gonna do a spin on that with dessert and make strawberry shortcake kebabs. You're not going to grill these, though.
Okay.
All right? Basically, everybody, today, all of our videos are based on building on recipes with the Crumb Boss. This is an easy one. All you really need is a pound cake. Go to Crumb Boss pound cake recipe. And I put this one in the freezer for a little while because I find that it's so much easier to cut.
Yes.
When it's been in the freezer.
Okay.
Now, I'd like to get myself some really nice cubes, and not many people really do like that well done heel of the bread is what we call it.
Okay.
So, and what I do want to do is get perfect cubes. So you see how I've taken my bread and I've really kind of trimmed it up?
Yes.
And then that way I can go and get perfect squares just like this.
Cool.
Alright, and then you take that this way and then this way. And now I have some really nice cubes of cake. They're all the same size.
Yes.
All right. And then what I could do with this, you're not going to throw it away. You could either make cake pops with it, right?
Yes.
Or you can grind it up and have cake crumbs like I have over here.
Oh, cool. And you can use that for something else.
Yeah, well, I'm going to actually use that for part of this recipe, too. So there's no waste, guys. Don't waste your food.
Don't waste your food.
Figure out something else to do with it if you're not going to use it for that particular recipe.
So these are called strawberry shortcake?
Strawberry shortcake kebabs.
Kebabs.
So then I've taken my strawberries, I've washed them, and I've trimmed the edges off of them.
Did you grow your strawberries?
I did.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's where I've been for 4 weeks, is watching my strawberries grow.
So
All right, so this is how you make a kebab, right? You've never had a kebab?
I don't know. I had a shish kebab.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I thought it was different.
Well, no, it's a shish kebab.
Well, what's a kebab?
Shish kebab.
What's a shish kebab?
A kebab.
Wait a minute. That's a dessert kebab. I had a shish kebab.
Shish kebab, dessert kebab.
Shish kebab.
You say shish kebab, I say kebab.
Where does the word shish kebab come from?
I don't know. I'm sure somebody's going to tell us, though.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so you see how I'm just alternating?
This is beautiful. Yeah, I love it.
It's a cool idea, right?
Yes.
So, like I said, a lot of these videos this weekend are geared towards summer barbecuing.
Yes.
All right. And now I have my melted white chocolate.
Okay.
Which is going to be a little addition here.
Okay. Now what are you going to do?
I'm just going to drizzle this over.
Oh, my God.
Right?
Oh, my God. So you got the Crumb Boss pound cake.
And then we're going to throw it in here and just kind of dress it up a little bit more.
Oh, that's nice. Now see, that's beautiful.
Yeah, now let me do
Crumb Boss, you're so creative. So you got the strawberry, a regular strawberry.
You know, you guys can feel free to add whatever you want. You want to put some kiwis on here, some raspberries, you know. Just because I do it this way doesn't mean that you have to do it this way.
I do like the simpler, though, just the one.
Well, yeah, and these are strawberry shortcake kebabs, so I didn't add anything else to it, but you can do blueberries, you know, you have really colorful kebabs.
That's cool, and you drizzle the chocolate on there. That is really, really cool.
All right, and then, like I said, no waste. You come back over here to your cake crumbs and dress it up like that.
That's awesome. That is so cool. Very cool. So now, Crumb Boss, so you're going to put this on the plate here.
Just like this.
Ah, wow, you guys, look at that. Now, that's not a shish kebab. That's a Crumb Boss kebab. And you put the little...
Dress up your plate with some fresh strawberries.
Yeah.
Now imagine this, like maybe 24 of them piled high on your picnic table for your summer barbecue. You're going to really wow your friends with the Crumb Boss.
Yeah, you're
All right?
so talented.
So this recipe is not going to be on crumbboss.com because why? We are building on recipes. You get your pound cake and just do what I did. That's
exactly. So let me see. So here, let me just get a close-up of it. There you have the strawberry kebab, shish kebab. It's beautiful. It's really, really pretty. What a very clever idea.
Oh, thank you.
You're very clever. Happy birthday, Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss.